channel. How do I make my pictures look professional without paying a photographer just to make my pictures look good? Keep watching and I am going to show you exactly what to do in order for your pictures to look I decided to do this video because I have a lot of people messaging me asking me, how do I make my pictures look the way they look? There are 3 important things to do and to use in order for you to have great looking pictures. Number 1, you want a good camera. I don't have a professional camera. It can be your phone. The quality of pictures that you can take with a cell phone is insane. Like, I think my phone has like 3 cameras on it. You can take beautiful pictures with your cell phone. There's no need to buy a big professional camera. You can if you want. I'm sure it really does give you the professional look, but you can also get it with your phone. One thing to do whenever you are taking a picture with your phone, a good mode that you can put it in is portrait mode. The portrait mode focuses on the object. It'll focus on the object and it'll zoom out the background, and it just makes it that more professional looking. Now you will notice that portrait mode could end up giving you blurry pictures. You do have to stand a certain amount of feet away from what you are taking a picture of, because if you don't, the picture can turn out blurry. And the cell phone will tell you, stand 3 to 5 feet away, or they'll say that you're too close or too far, and you will see it on your phone whenever it's focusing. You'll see that you'll be able to see the object or see yourself even better. A big important thing when you're taking a picture and you want it to look good is the lighting. You need good lighting, and you can use it with using a tripod that already has the ring light around it, which I'm actually using right now. I actually purchased mine off of Amazon. I can send you the link in the comments. Natural lighting is always the best. You want to have good natural lighting, because if you don't have good lighting, the picture doesn't turn out as nice as it should. It might look dark. It doesn't look as professional, because if you don't have good lighting, your pictures will not turn out. Another thing you can use is a tripod. Anything that you don't have to bother somebody to take your picture. If you have somebody to take your picture, good for you. So we talked about good camera and good lighting, and if you want, a tripod. Now, what I use in order for my pictures to look professional is presets. You have to download the app Lightroom. Lightroom is where you can download all the presets. Presets, you've got to pay for that. The Lightroom app is free, but you've got to pay for presets. And presets is you can call them like filters, make your pictures look professional. Now, if you see up here, this is the original picture, okay? This is the original picture that I took with my phone. And after applying a preset, this is what it looks like. Now, you tell me if it looks more professional, more like a photo shoot. There's so many presets out there that you can purchase. It depends what kind of preset that you're looking for, what kind of mood that you're going for. There's different prices, different companies that you can find on the internet. I purchased mine off of Brittany Aldean at the beginning. I don't know if she still sells them. I'd have to check it out. If she does, I will put it in the comments below. I also purchased a preset off of Wild Presets, I believe it's called. Those are the main tips to use in order for your pictures to look A1. You can literally do your own photo shoot without paying a professional photographer using these tips. So I hope this was helpful and that you enjoyed this video. I had many people message me asking me how I do my pictures, and I figured, well, I will do a video. Just remember, good camera, great lighting, and if you want, download that Lightroom app and get yourself some presets. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever I post my next video. Thanks for watching.